Let's go ahead and open up our glove box here. Once you have it open, the next thing you want to do is squeeze on the sides. We're just going to go ahead and pull those in towards the center, and we can lower this down. Of course, you're going to want to make sure that there's nothing in here that could fall out. Squeeze this. Push it down a little bit. Do the same to the other one. There we are. Now right up in here is where we can access our cabin air filter. Now with that out of the way, we have a nice clear view of where the cabin air filter is going to be. You can also see written right on the cover, it says airflow facing down. So that's the way we're going to go ahead and put in that cabin air filter once we go for the install. To remove this though, there's going to be a tab on the driver's side and one on the passenger side of the cover. Just go ahead and squeeze in on those, remove the cover. We'll set this aside. And now we have access to the cabin air filter. We'll just go ahead and slide it out carefully. Nasty. Let's have a quick look at these side by side. As you can tell, the cabin air filter in this car is absolutely disgusting. It's definitely way past time for replacement, so let's go ahead and do that now. Looking at the side, here we go. Airflow down. So we're just going to go ahead and turn this so it's kind of going in lengthwise like this. Slide it right in. Should go in nice and easy. If it feels like you have to force it, it's probably not going to go in the right way. Now we can take our cover. You want to make sure you have it facing the right way as well. Just line it up with where it needs to be. Latch it in, give it a nice wiggle, and make sure it's secure. Now we can grab onto our glove box and we're going to bring it right up. As we bring it up, you're going to see that these little stops want to hit. Just go ahead and press them in a little bit, and you should be able to lift this up and in. Perfect.